Hi there, it's nice to see you again. In today's lesson, I'm gonna talk about the question word who. Who means mean, and in English it is placed in the beginning of a sentence, but in Arabic it can be placed in the beginning or at the end of a sentence, depending on the position of the answer in the sentence or where the answer is supposed to be. For example, here is a statement, and now I'd like to turn it into a question. I'd like to ask, who are you? It means that I'm asking about the name Mary, and in Arabic we replace this part with the word who. This is the Arabic sentence structure, and this way you will be able to know where to place the question word. By the way, we don't switch the verb and the subject. Now you have just learned the structure of the sentence. Let's take some Arabic examples. Inti Jessica. Inti Jessica. Let's ask who are you? This means we are asking about the name Jessica, so I'm going to replace it with the word who. Inti mean. Inti mean. This sentence is feminine because the pronoun inti is used. This means you can say it to a girl or a woman, and if you would like to say it to a man, you need to make it masculine by saying Enta mean. Enta mean. The plural form is into mean. Into mean. And also you can ask Ana mean. Ana mean. If you know the name of a person and you still don't know who they are, you can ask a question like that. Michael mean. Michael mean. Can you turn this statement into a question? أنت بتتكلم مع جوزيف. أنت بتتكلم مع جوزيف. أنت بتتكلم مع جوزيف. It means you are speaking with Joseph. Now you wanna ask about Joseph, so you need to replace his name with the word mean. أنت بتتكلم مع مين؟ أنت بتتكلم مع مين؟ I'd like to tell you a secret. Sometimes Egyptians use the pronouns he or she at the beginning of a question. I don't know why we do this, and it doesn't add something to the meaning. This is just a filler word and it's not really needed. So how can you spot something like that? When you find two pronouns in one sentence, just delete the first pronoun to be able to understand it properly. هو أنت بتتكلم مع مين؟ هو أنت بتتكلم مع مين؟ هو أنت بتتكلم مع مين؟ Let's take another example. Trump رئيس أمريكا. Trump رئيس أمريكا. Now we would like to ask, who is the President of America? This means we are asking about Mr. Trump, so I'm going to remove this word and replace it with the word مين. مين رئيس أمريكا. مين رئيس أمريكا. Let's translate this sentence. مين means who. هناك means there. In Arabic, verb to be is usually omitted when it comes to the present tense, but here is the proper translation. Here are some other questions that starts with the word who. مين بيتكلم. مين بيتكلم. مين عاوز ياكل. مين عاوز ياكل. مين عاوز ياكل. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.